Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with uh, Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, go on to your Robinhood application. After that, make sure that you have already a crypto account and also make sure that your Robinhood account is eligible to start trading in your crypto. So simply make sure that you have already verified your identity and completed all your information. Then you will need simply to go to the crypto panel or the crypto page in Robinhood application. So basically here in the toolbar, we will find five choices. This is the profile, investing, and this one is the crypto. So basically here you will find all the crypto money or the cryptocurrencies. And all you need to do is to choose any crypto that you would like, and then you can start buying crypto and selling it. So as you can see, if we choose a stock, we will find the trade option. And when you click trade option, a buy option and sell option appears, and basically it's the same to crypto. When you start clicking on trade in the crypto, you will be able to buy and sell. So here I'm just going to choose, for example, the Bitcoin or Ethereum uh, or whatever you like. So basically, I'm just going to click on Bitcoin, and here I have the send and receive, so I can send Bitcoin or receive it. And when I click, I will have this window. And basically, you will be needing already to have your Robinhood crypto account, and you can click on get started, you acknowledge, and then you can start creating your account. So as you can see, you must be a Robinhood crypto user to access this feature. So when you have your Robinhood crypto, you will be able to start trading or buying and selling crypto. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.